We are here at 1602 Loma Drive in Hermosa Beach, the most expensive townhouse in Hermosa Beach, and we're going to show you why. I'm Jonathan Schultz with the Novak Schultz Real Estate Group here at Compass, and we get phone calls and emails from people just like you looking to make a smooth move to the South Bay and the LA area every day. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We look forward to hearing from you. So we are here at 1602 Loma Drive, which is right here behind us, and this home was built by AIA award-winning builder Jeff Widman, Josh Kastner, and designed by John Starr. And what sets this property apart from the rest of the properties here in Hermosa is, one, the location. As you can see, we're at a T intersection where the home kind of sits right in the middle of this T intersection. So if you take a look down the street here, you can see there's unobstructed views behind us all the way to the ocean. There's a walk street down there, so no one can build on it. You can see all the way to the sand from every single level in the front and back unit. Let's go inside and take a look. That we just brought you in through here is actually not the main entrance to the home. This is actually the fourth bedroom of the house on the lower level, which is a legal ADU. Here in Los Angeles, they have building codes which don't allow density reduction. So this home, before they demolished it, was a 3-unit, so they had to put 3 units back on this site. There's a front unit and a back unit, so in order to put 3, they had to designate this specific bedroom as a legal ADU. So as you can see, it has a entrance directly outside. You're going to have a kitchenette and a fridge. You have an area for a hot plate, some cooking utensils. It has its own bathroom, and it is kind of set apart from the rest of it can be closed off from the rest of the home if you would like it to, and it actually does have its own address designated by the city if you would like to close it off and rent this out as a studio. So out in the hallway here, this hallway leads to a garage. It's a 2-car attached garage here. As you can see here in the garage, this home is equipped with a tankless water heater. It's a recirculating tankless water heater. You do have a whole house central vac system. This home is solar ready. The panels aren't up on the roof, but they're all the wiring and conduits already ran. It's also already set up for a battery charger for your cars. So let's head on up to the second floor. We'll take our 3-stop elevator to the second floor. So we are in the main entry foyer for this unit. This is the front door for the unit where your guests will enter into. There is a private walk up the south facade of the building so that when your guests come over, they won't interrupt the front unit or anything. They'll just come directly up the side right into your entry door. On this main level here, you do have all the bedrooms you have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Which is pretty common in the South Bay to have all your bedrooms. It's called a reverse floor plan, where all your bedrooms are on the lower level, your main living area is on the upper level, and this is to maximize the views, the ocean, the valley, everything from the upper level. So let's start out and take a look at the primary suite. So we're here in the primary suite. Your primary suite does have valley views out the east. You do have ocean views out the west. You do have a door here to exit out onto a back patio. Your back patio actually butts up against the last remaining dune in Hermosa Beach. It's protected. It has a lot of native species for the area on this dune out here. Another important thing to note about the whole entire house as well as the master suite is all the interior walls are insulated in here for sound dampening. The master suite is extra insulated on the ceiling with Roxel insulation, which is extra dense to keep the noise down in your primary suite because your living area is right above you. So let's go take a look at the primary bathroom. So here in the primary bathroom, we do have pure white quartz countertops. We have Italian cleef cabinets. We have a solid surface tub and a Greek Fasos marble shower in here. You also have all high-end fixtures, total legato toilets. They didn't leave any stone unturned in here. They even upgraded the lighting in the master suite as well as the living area with 1-inch LED recessed lighting. So your other two bedrooms are on the west side of the property over here. You have one bedroom here. You have a separate bathroom in this hallway that guests can use, or it can be used for that bathroom. You have a laundry room on this level, which is actually great for the laundry room right around all the bedrooms is, in my opinion, the best place to put it. And then this is your third bedroom on this level. So, and this one has an ensuite bathroom. And then also with this room, you do get ocean views all the way to the sand out the side window. So now let's head upstairs and check out the main living area. So on the third level here, you have your quintessential modern open concept floor plan. We have a dining room here, your living room here that's anchored by an 85-inch linear gas fireplace. You have floor-to-ceiling Arcadia sliding doors. You have your kitchen over here, which has the full Miele suite in it. And you got a beverage center, wine fridge, espresso machine, microwave. There is a small powder room off the kitchen here with your elevator exit over here. And then let's take a look at this fireplace. This fireplace is, like I said, it was an 85-inch linear gas fireplace. You do have passive heating at the top, and this is anti-scurril marble. This all is pre-wired for Dolby surround sound. If you want to put one of those picture TVs up on here, it's already pre-wired. All the wiring exists. You just have to have it hooked up. Once we come out here onto our balcony, your doors will open. They'll slide all the way up to give you that indoor-outdoor living feel. And you do have great views of the valley out to the east, which I think is a very a benefit of having this back unit, because you get the ocean views on the west side and you get the valley views on the east side. This balcony does have custom linear drains on it. You have architectural steel on the sides here, and you look out onto the valley, which I think at nighttime, this is the view you want. Ocean views are great. You can't ever discount an ocean view, but at night the ocean kind of looks like a black hole, and this is your money shot at night. The whole hillside lit up with lights, and it's great being here at night, and it's great for entertaining. So another great benefit of this house, just because of where it's situated, no one can build behind you and block your view. Also, because the street is in front of you, we showed you that T intersection, no one can build in front of you. So this is going to be an unobstructed view forever, because this dune right behind us, it's a protected dune. It's the last remaining dune in Hermosa. So it got protected. It has a lot of native species on it. So no one's going to be able to block your view to the east, and no one's going to be able to build a house in the middle of the street and block your view to the west. So let's take a look what we can see out on the west facing balcony here. We'll go out the doors. So this balcony, this small balcony right off the kitchen, and it leads up to our rooftop deck. So as you can see from our balcony on the west side, we have views straight down the street all the way to the sand, which can't be obstructed. So we are now on the rooftop deck of this unit. One of the great benefits of being in Hermosa is that you're allowed to have rooftop decks, unlike Manhattan, which actually prohibits them. You can have a rooftop deck which allows you to enjoy the view from up here. You can see the valley, you see all the way to Santa Monica and Malibu. You get a great ocean view, and then you can also see on the south here, you have the Queen's Necklace and Palos Verdes down over here. On this rooftop deck, another great thing about this rooftop deck is it is structurally engineered for a spa. So if you wanted to put a spa up here to enjoy your view of the ocean, you can do that. Or we have a chef's kitchen out here with a barbecue, refrigerator, everything you need to entertain on your rooftop. So thank you for joining us on our tour of the most expensive townhouse sold in Hermosa Beach. And if you're looking to enjoy sunsets like this every night, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We'd love to hear from you. We look forward to helping you make a smooth move to the South Bay or LA area.